We have reached 2.6 million of the 28 million children already, which experts said is a good sign. Studies have shown that this vaccine currently especially is extremely effective at preventing hospitalizations as well as deaths from the coronavirus, and it's imperative that young Americans get vaccinated. On this, we have now highlights from Hackensack Meridian Health in New Jersey, where children were recently inoculated for the first time at the Jersey Shore University Hospital near Asbury Park. Here's a story of Hackensack Meridian Health's efforts towards vaccinations of children in the state.
Guess what? You were awesome.
All finished. That was it.
I'm getting my COVID vaccine.
And how do you feel about that?
Brave and also happy.
So why do you feel great and happy that you're getting your vaccine today?
Because I don't really know. I just feel that way because I really want to stop COVID from spreading, and I don't get COVID. I don't know. I do not know. I just feel that way.
I got my vaccine.
And was it fun?
Mm-mm.
No? Did it hurt?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. So why is it important that people get their vaccines?
So people can stay safe, and your family and your teachers and your sport teachers. Alexa.
Okay, what's your name?
Matthew.
Awesome. So what happened today, guys?
We got vaccinated with
What
COVID
happened
shot,
today?
We got vaccinated.
And why is it important that you guys get vaccinated?
so we stay safe.
It doesn't hurt, and it would be safe for you.
Awesome. And how old are you?
7.
And how old are you?
11.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys.
I got my vaccine
So why did you get your vaccine?
to protect me from COVID.
Do you want to protect any other people from COVID?
Yes,
Who do you want to protect from COVID?
my family and my friends.
That's right. So what would you tell your friends if they were scared to come in today?
It doesn't feel like much. You only feel a pinch for like a second.
Getting the COVID vaccine.
So when I ask you a question, just try to answer back in a sentence. So if I say, what are we doing today? Just say, today I'm getting the COVID vaccine. So what are we doing today?
Today I'm getting the COVID vaccine.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel great
Why do you feel great?
because I am safe from getting COVID.
And are you going to help keep other people safe as well?
Yeah.
So I brought my children to finally get vaccinated against COVID-19 today. It's a day that we've been waiting for. It's really important for us and for us as parents, but also as physicians, to have our children vaccinated, because I think it's our way of doing our part to hopefully end the pandemic. And I mean, as a pediatric rheumatologist, the patients that I have been taking care of are those patients with multi-organ inflammatory syndrome in children after COVID-19, or MISC. And really, the rates are showing now that these are the age group that are more affected these days with COVID. So this really means a lot to us.
It's a really exciting day for us today. My daughter, who's 7 years old, just got vaccinated with the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. And this is such a significant milestone in our fight against COVID-19. It's the best way to keep children in school, in person, for the rest of the year. And it's by far the safest and most effective way that we can prevent getting kids infected with COVID-19.